Wanaongea sahihi kwetu.
I think even at this initial sitting, I had a demonstration of very good faith and a meeting of the minds. And so one of the things we are saying is the committee members will not go out there over the weekend or whatever and begin to discuss matters that are strictly within the province of these negotiations. So you're really going to see a lot of good order from these leaders who are here. We have committed ourselves to that so that we can deliver for this country and deliver justice for our people.
And we have indicated also that we will be engaging on the basis of mutual respect, all in the interest of our nation and not in any private interests or any personal interests, but everything that we shall engage on will be for the benefit of the country and the people of this great country. We, together as leaders from both sides, have agreed that we don't have the luxury of failing. We cannot afford to fail in this process. And as much as I appreciate we have heavy issues before us, we know we will agree. We may disagree on some, but we all engage in good faith